no, no. A cold winter night when lights are low, the treetops are covered up in snow, and I always miss you so. I know that it's Christmas time again. The reindeer are rushing side by side, and Santa is going for a ride, but it's you I'm longing for. I feel that it's Christmas time again. Missing all these little things that we used to do. Everything was so much better back then, when we wished upon a star and our dreams came true. How I wish you were here when it's Christmas time again. It's Christmas time.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another episode of Christmas with Chelle, and this time we're doing a tour of my glam Christmas home office. I hope you enjoy. Guys, my favourite room in my home would definitely be my home office. It is definitely very girly and very glam, and I love most of all decorating it for each season. My favourite part of this room would definitely be my blush pink shiplap wall. Now guys, we did the VJ panelling on this wall a few years ago, and I love this colour blush pink. Would you believe, guys, this is actually a colour match from a tray that I bought from Provincial Home Living a few years ago, and I just took it in the store and got it colour matched, and it's the perfect colour for this room. Now, you know your girl Chelle loves me some chandeliers. Every time I see a chandelier, guys, I am in awe. And I've pretty much put them throughout my whole house. This is my first chandelier I ever put in my home, and it's from Early Settler Furniture. Now, if you've been following me over on Instagram, you'll see that I released a reel where I did a DIY on some gold picture frames I had. I've done that in the living room, which I'll share in my Christmas home tour. That's coming up very soon. But I also done them here in the office, guys, and I absolutely love how they came. Basically, all I did was just take out the pictures that were in them and replace them with some pretty Christmas wrapping paper. And I really think it goes perfect with the theme for the year.
Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can't see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, I'm falling in love. Something in store for us. We're falling in love. Summer ended, but we did not. We started something.
So sticking with my glam theme, I added to the frames these really pretty bows. I layered them again, guys. The glitter ones are from my local dollar store, and the pink and blue ones are from a recent Temu haul. And I just love, by adding that glamorous touch to the frames, it really tied in beautifully with the theme that I was after. Christmas has come around so fast this year, guys. I just can't believe how quickly it's coming. Do you feel that way too? Next week, guys, I'll be sharing with you my Christmas home tour. I've been busy decorating every room in my house, and I can't wait to share a Christmas home tour with you all. So don't forget to tap your notification bells and subscribe to my channel so you'll be aware when I upload that video.
To me, it's perfectly clear we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year, something in store for us. We're falling in love.
I've definitely stuck to 3 types of colours in this room, guys. It's definitely the blush pink. I have some rustic elements going on, as well as beautiful gold. And I think these tie in so beautifully in this room.
We're falling in love.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you've enjoyed my Glam Christmas home office tour for 2023.
I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and TikTok at Chellesglamhome too. And don't forget to tap that notification bell, guys, so you'll be aware when I upload that Christmas home tour. I hope you're all having a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you all next week for another video here at Chellesglamhome. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.